Hi everyone, our topic for today is all about the differentiation of logarithmic functions. And we have a new set of formula to be used when we are getting the derivative of a logarithmic function. The first one is the derivative of the logarithm of u base b with respect to x is equal to 1 over u multiplied to logarithm of e base b multiplied to the derivative of u with respect to x, wherein yung u natin dito is a function. And the second one, if the derivative that we are going to use is natural logarithm, this is the formula. The derivative of ln u with respect to x is equal to 1 over u multiplied to the derivative of u with respect to x. And I want you again to take note of these two formulas because we're going to use this in our examples. Okay, for the first example, we are to find for the derivative of the logarithm of 2x plus 5 base 5 with respect to x. So we will apply here the first formula, wherein we have 1 over the value of u, which is 2x plus 5, then multiplied to the logarithm of e base 5, and multiplied to the derivative of the value of u, which is 2x plus 5 with respect to x. Okay, simplify natin. So we have 1 over 2x plus 5 multiplied to logarithm of e base 5. And what is the derivative of 2x plus 5? Okay, it is equivalent to 2. So we write there 2. And to simplify this for the final answer, we're going to multiply logarithm of e base 5 by 2 and by the numerator. Okay, so that's why we'll have here 2 logarithm of e base 5 all over 2x plus 5. So since yung 2 natin is constant, so pwede natin siya ilagay sa unahan. So kaya yung 2 natin nandyan sa unahan. Okay, and that is for the final answer for this example. For the second example, we have to find for the derivative of the logarithm of 2 minus 5x base 3 with respect to x. So again, we're going to use the first formula. So we have 1 over u, which is 1 over 2 minus 5x, then multiplied to the logarithm of e base 3, then multiplied to the derivative of 2 minus 5x with respect to x. Okay, for the next step, so we have 1 over 2 minus 5x multiplied to the logarithm of e base 3. And then what is the derivative of 2 minus 5x? Okay, it is equal to negative 5. So for our final answer, so let's multiply again negative 5 by the logarithm of e base 3 and the numerator. So we'll have negative 5 logarithm of e base 3 all over 2 minus 5x. For the third example, we have to find for the derivative of the logarithm of 5x minus 3 quantity cubed base 8 with respect to x. So again, apply the first formula. So we have 1 over 5x minus 3 raised to 3 multiplied to the logarithm of e base 8, and then multiplied to the derivative of 5x minus 3 cubed with respect to x. Okay, next step. So we have 1 over 5x minus 3 cubed multiplied to the logarithm of e base 8, and what will be the derivative of 5x minus 3 raised to 3? So we will apply the power rule. So we'll have 3 multiplied to 5x minus 3 raised to 3 minus 1 according to the power rule, and then multiplied to the derivative of 5x minus 3 with respect to x. Then, next one, so let's just copy this again. 1 over 5x minus 3 raised to 3 multiplied to the logarithm of e base 8. So we'll have here 3 multiplied to 5x minus 3 squared, kasi 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And then, the derivative of 5x minus 3 is equal to 5. So, next, we can multiply here the two constants, which are 3 and 5. So, pagsamasamahin na natin sila sa numerator. So, that's why we'll have 15 logarithm of e base 8 multiplied to 5x minus 3 squared. And then all over 5x minus 3 raised to 3. And then as you can see, by applying one of the laws of exponent, we can cancel out yung isang 5x minus 3 dito sa denominator, and we will cancel out yung sa numerator. So, what will be left is 1. So, that's why for the final answer, we'll have 15 multiplied to the logarithm of e base 8. So, wala na yung 5x minus 3 squared. So, kasi na-cancel out na siya. And then, sa denominator, ang matitira na lang is 5x minus 3. So, that is for the final answer. Okay, for the fourth example, we have to find for the derivative of ln 6x minus 1001 with respect to x. So, we will apply here the second formula, wherein it is equal to 1 over u, which is 6x minus 1001, and then multiplied to the derivative of u, which with respect to x, which is 6x minus 1001. Okay, by simplifying, we'll have here, let's just copy 1 over 6x minus 1001, and the derivative of 6x minus 1001 is equal to 6. And then let's just multiply. So, for the final answer, we'll have 6 over 6x minus 1001. For the fifth example, we are to find for the derivative of ln of 3x squared minus 2x minus 1 with respect to x. So again, we'll apply here the second formula. So we'll have 1 over u, which is 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. Then multiplied to the derivative of 3x squared minus 2x minus 1 with respect to x. Okay, let's just copy 1 over 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. And then let's apply the derivative of 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. So, ang derivative niya is 6x minus 2. And then, let's multiply. So, for the final answer, we'll have 6x minus 2 all over 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. Okay, for the last example, we have the derivative of ln of 5x minus 19 raised to 23 with respect to x. So, let's apply the second formula again. So, we'll have 1 over 5x minus 19 raised to 23 multiplied to the derivative of 5x minus 19 raised to 23 with respect to x. Okay, let's just copy 1 over 5x minus 19 raised to 23. And then, multiplied to by applying the power rule again. So, we'll have 23 multiplied to 5x minus 19 raised to 23 minus 1. And then, multiplied to the derivative of 5x minus 19 with respect to x. Next, so we'll have here 1 over 5x minus 19 raised to 23 multiplied to 23 multiplied to 5x minus 19 raised to 23 minus 1, so siya ay 22, and then multiplied sa derivative ng 5x minus 19, which is equal to 5. So again, we have here our constants again, 5 and 23, so pwede natin silang ipag-multiply na. And diretso na rin natin as a whole fraction ito. So, that's why we'll have 23 times 5 is equal to 115 multiplied to 5x minus 19 raised to 22. All over 5x minus 19 raised to 23. So, as you can see, pinag-combine na natin itong 23, 5x minus 19 raised to 22, 5, and itong fraction natin dito. So, that's why nag-came up tayo dito sa answer natin na yan. But then, by applying the laws of exponent again, so we'll have to cancel 22, yung 5x minus 19 raised to 22, and matitira na lang sa denominator is 1. So, nag-subtract tayo ng exponent. So, that's why our final answer will be 115 all over 5x minus 19. I want you to try these examples and let's reveal the answer on our next meeting. We thank you guys for your listening and we hope that you learn. Goodbye.